Hey, I'm the BBQ Butcher. Today I'm really excited to tell you about the new BBQ Butcher NZ's Wagyu range. This is going to be so cool. What I've got here is a marble score 9 sirloin, and let's get into this and show you how to cut it, and let's get it done. I'm just going to take it out of the vacuum pack bag. And Arlo's beside me already, trying to get his fair share of it. Always after being in a vacuum pack bag, just damp it down. And then we can start it. Oh, look at that. Look at that marbling. Woohoo! So what first we're going to do is take off the back strap. This is a big piece of gristle. It's not, so we're going to take that off there. The back, wow. Woohoo! Look at that, guys. That's pretty impressive. So we're going to do 2-finger steaks, mark it like I normally do. So let's see what's behind this steak. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Same with this one. Put these on the plate. So just take your time, space it out. Again, another two, and there we go. Works out to be perfect. So I find this, the 2-finger rule is a good sized steak. Not too big, not too small, just bang on. This stuff is impressive. So there you go. That, again, is the new BBQ Butcher NZ's Wagyu range. And this is a sirloin 9. Hope you really enjoyed this video.